In this video, I am going to discuss about class marks or mid value. For any grouped frequency table with class intervals, the middle value of the class limits or the class boundaries of any class is called the class mark or mid value of that class. It is simply calculated by taking the mean of the two end values of any class. As for example, the following table gives the frequency distribution of marks obtained by 31 students of class 10 in a mathematics achievement test. Now we draw class limits. Here class limits are not continuous. In the previous video we have learned how to make class limit continuous after calculating the class boundaries. So the class boundaries are this. The first class limit is 10 to 19. If we add these two and divide it by 2, we get 14.5. First class boundary is 9.5 to 19.5. If we add these two, that is 9.5 plus 19.5, and divide it by 2, we get 14.5. In the same way, we can calculate the mid values. Hope you understand the concept. In the next video, we will discuss about class length.